Hello everyone. Today I will show you the important steps that you need to know in using Eclipse software. The Eclipse for Java IDE, which is Integrated Development Environment, can be found installed on your college PC's desktop, like what you see on your desktop now. Just to note, if you are using your home PC or a laptop, you need to install this application on your own. The link to download Eclipse is available in Software Portal link on Move. You may also Google and download it for free, as it is a free and open source software. Another point you should know is that this application works only if you have installed Java software, and certainly your college PC has Java installed already. There you go. So now let's see the steps to use Eclipse in detail. Double click on the icon Eclipse for Java on your desktop. Now you can see a window pop up called Workspace Launcher. The first step is to create a workspace. So browse and select a folder you want to keep all your Java projects. For example, I'm choosing desktop, and you can make a new folder. For example, I will say first workspace. Well, I do not recommend giving a space in between, so please make sure you do not have any spaces in any folders or files that you create. You can click OK, and you can browse, and you can see that this folder now exists on your desktop. Select and click OK. Make sure you don't click on this, use this as the default and do not ask again option, because you may not get this option again when you restart this application called Eclipse. Click OK. So now you can see that Eclipse IDE window opens up. You can click on Restore button on your top left. So you are ready to create your own Java project. Right, so now we will see how to create a new Java project. Let me reset the size of the window. Right, go to File, click on New, and you should be able to see Java project, which otherwise you can find it in the option called Other, and you can see that Java project is available. Select that and click on Next. A new window opens asking you to give a project name. For example, I will give a name called Test Project. This could be a name. You can choose the name as you like. Just below this name you can see JRE section. You can see that Java 1.8 or JDK 1.8 option is already listed here. Otherwise, you can configure this JRE by simply clicking the third option and going to configure JRE link, which is you can see it in blue color. Right. This is a new preference option. Click on Add and select Standard VM. Go to Next. This takes you to a new window called Add JRE. You can click Directory button here and browse for your Java home directory. Most probably this will be in your C drive, Program Files, Java folder, and there you see JDK 1.8.0 and something. So select this folder, click OK. This will return you back to the preferences, and make sure now that you have a new GRE which is selected. Well, click Finish and switch to the new GRE. Click OK again. Now going to the third option, which is project layout, I recommend you to choose the first option, which is use project folder as root for source and class files. Once done, click Finish. If it asks for Java perspective with an option yes or no, say yes. This creates a new Java project for you. Now you can see your Java project on your screen on the left hand side in the window called Package Explorer. The next step is to start creating Java classes. The Java class is the program file to write source code and later which you can compile and see the output you desire. So right click on your project, for example test project, go to new and select class. This opens a new window again. You can see there is a name for the package. This is an optional that you can remove. I do not recommend you to have it for now because mostly you might be working on smaller projects as a student. Now you can give a name for your class. For example, I gave a name called sample. Click Finish. Right, now you can start working on your program. Well, once you finish your program, you can click Save and Eclipse will automatically compile your programs. To see the output, you can always right click on your program, go to Run as option, and you will definitely see an option called Java application. For example, if you write your program with a method called public static void main string arguments and click Save. Now your program, this Java class, is a main class. So definitely when you right click on your program and go to Run as, you will see an option called Java application. If you click this, you will see the output. Thank you for watching. For any clarification, you can talk to me in your next class or send me an email. Enjoy programming.